Yo, hello guys. I'm gonna make a cardboard craft, okay? I know, there's something in my mouth. Alright? I'm gonna make a cardboard craft out of cardboard. So, like, I like weapons. I like to make videos. I just like to see people liking me. So after this video is done, you guys please subscribe. Okay, you'll need 3 stuff. First of all, cardboard, scissors, and glue or something else. Okay. This thick enough. Okay. Now we'll need glue. Here is the glue. I thought it just disappeared. Something else. Now we need to stick it. Wait, I'll make it equal, not unequal or something. Okay. Go.
2,000 years later.
Now, this is what I wanted to make. And dagger type. Okay. Just make it a bit more sharp. You guys should make it bigger. Like I'm making it small. Just for it, okay? Like you can throw it. It goes like cool animation. Runs like hell. And is very cool. Like you can put it as a showcase. Play with it. Random. Okay. So we'll leave it to stick. I think this is the end of the video. Like and subscribe. Bye. The next video I'll make after some time. Don't know. So I'll show my face right now. I think you guys didn't saw. So bye bye. And stick it at the other end. Okay, it is made. It looks like an arrow more. Not like what I'm trying to make. Okay. Our old thing might have been sticking right till now. Yeah, it has. So we basically need to stick it over here, okay? Like this. Like this, okay? I think you guys saw. So okay, if we
No.